Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do something that has been requested. I've had a few people ask me in my last mix setup tutorial, how do you create green screen effects? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. I guess this video is going to be kind of a Premiere Pro tutorial as well in a sense, but I'm going to quickly do a green screen effect in Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you how you can take that effect and then input it into the Mixup application. For those of you who don't have Premiere Pro, there's going to be some type of feature in your editing software where you can chroma key out the green or blue or whatever it is that you're using, and you should be able to implement the same type of technique with your editing software. But for those with Premiere Pro, this is going to be a direct tutorial on how to do that with Premiere. And before we get into the video, for those of you who are not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Support the channel. Hit a like, leave a comment. Let me know what kind of tutorials you guys want to see for Mixup and any other streaming content tutorials in general. I'll be happy to help you. And check out some of my other content as well. I make gaming content for stuff like Apex Legends and Valorant along with these tutorials. So if you like that kind of content, feel free to check it out on the channel. I also stream live on Twitch as well. The link to all my socials that I make content for will be in the description below: Twitch, Instagram, Twitter, or X as they call it. But let's get this going and hop into the video. Now we are going to be making a brand new green screen effect from scratch in this tutorial. So I've always wanted like a hype, crowd cheering type of effect for, all those like really cool epic moments that happen like Apex or something. And I already have like a hype command that drops confetti, but I wanted to add a green screen effect to it. So that's what we're gonna do. Now, if you go on YouTube, you will find a lot of green screen effects on here. If you type in something like crowd cheer green screen, then there's going to be a lot of options that's going to pop up. Something like this is kind of like what we're going to be like looking for once the ad is no longer here. Something like this, and then basically we're going to screen record this using whatever recording software you have, whether it's OBS or a different type of like recording software. Use whatever you feel like, and then once you get that recording, this is what we're going to put into our Premiere Pro or whatever your editing software is. So I went ahead and screen recorded the green screen effect that I want to use for my stream, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my Adobe Premiere. We're going to remove the green and then export the video and have it ready to input into Mixup application. The actual removal of the green screen is not really the hard part, but you do need to remember that there's a certain setting you need to use in order to export the video so that you get like a transparent background that can be used for like a green screen effect for your streams. So let's go ahead and go into whatever file where you save your videos, and let's go ahead and double click our new green screen effect and then drag it over so that we can edit it. Now I'm going to chop this down to only the bits that I really need. So we're going to start it here and then get rid of the first bit there. Make sure we go to the end so we can cut it just before the green screen effect is over, and then we'll chop it there. And now we have about 9 seconds and 47 milliseconds of this effect that we can use. Now obviously the entire effect may not be 9 seconds. Probably what I'll end up doing is having it like fade at some point within Mixup. Now we're not going to need the sound. You can actually just delete the entire audio bit of this green screen and then just go ahead and go into your effects panel to grab the Ultra key that you need to remove the green. So let's do Ultra key, and then we're going to drag and drop that onto our effect, and then we're going to take the sampler and then click on the green bit. Now you'll see that the green is now gone, and then you could even adjust the setting of the green screen effect, like the Ultra key, whether it's going to be relaxed, default, aggressive if you want like no green at all. I'm going to do aggressive to see if it happens to look a little better, but that's basically what our video looks like without any green attached to it. Now obviously the background is black, but when you export this video and you change it to when the background's going to be transparent, then when you put that into Mixup, it's going to show as a transparent background, no green screen, and just the effect that you're looking for. So when you're exporting this in Premiere Pro, Control and M if you want to quickly get to the export page on Premiere Pro, we're going to go into, so right here where it says QuickTime, if you scroll down, you're going to see where it says WebM. This is the file type that we need in order to make this effect. Now in the export settings, make sure in the video drop down menu, when you scroll down, you make sure that the codecs is on VP9 and that you have include alpha channel checkmarked. Then once you have those settings right, you can go ahead and export your video. Let's go ahead and save this in case we need it later, and let's close out Premiere Pro and then open up our Mixup. Okay, so now that we have Mixup open, we're going going to go into our command section, because the command section is where I currently have the effect that I'm looking for that I want to adjust. And it is within chat commands. Yes, chat commands. Here it is. It's called We Windows. It's basically a command to celebrate anytime We Windows. We have our We Windows effect here, which is I just put as WW. If you go into my chat and press WW, this will pop up. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like without the green screen effect that we are about to add. So let's go ahead and test the command. Now I cut it to only the beginning. I'm pretty sure you know the song, but for like YouTube copyright reasons, I'm not going to play the entire thing, but you get the idea. Confetti rains down, We Windows, all it does is win no matter what. So we're going to add onto this command, and we're going to use the green screen effect that we just created and then add this. So I'm going to go to edit command here, and then what we're looking for in our actions section, we are looking for the one that says video. So here we are, we have overlay for images and video. Click on that, hit the plus sign, and now we can scroll down to where it says action and change this to video. Now we're gonna go ahead and hit browse and go into our computer to find the file that we saved for our green screen effect. Now you could make the video longer and press the loop toggle right here, which will make the video loop, and you can run a longer effect, but I'm going to keep it at 9 seconds. I'm not going to have it loop. I'm going to go into the animations because I'm going to actually want this to fade away. So if you go down to animations and where it says exit, I'm just going to scroll down until I see fade, and right here where it says fade out, I'm going to click on that, and then we're going to do save. So now we have the right file type in here. We have the video to play on our large overlay. Make sure if you have more than one overlay, you pick the right one. I have one called large that covers the entire screen. It's going to play for 9 seconds. It's going to fade out, and this is what the actual effect looks like. So we're going to hit save so that the entire command is now updated with our new green screen effect. And if we play the entire thing for We Windows, this is what it looks like. Once again, not going to play the entire thing for copyright reasons, but there you have it. We just created a brand new green screen effect. We implemented this effect into our Mix It Up bot, and it is now ready to be used on our stream for all of our viewers to see. So there you have it, quick and simple. Use your editing software to get rid of the green on your green screen effect. Make sure you export it as a WebM file. Make sure you include the alpha channel, and then you can go ahead and export that video into your Mix It Up, add it into whatever effects or events that you want to, and you have a ready to use green screen effect for your Mix It Up, for your stream, for your videos, whatever you want to use it for. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Comment down below what Mix It tutorials you guys want to see, or any other stream tutorials in general. All the stuff I create in these videos, I do have on my Twitch channel. You can come by and hang out, ask questions, and I do have the link to my Twitch in the description below. And go ahead and watch this next Mix It tutorial if you want to learn how to use GIFs and pop-ups for your stream. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.